prove that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So first of all, we have a triangle. It can be like this. Okay, it can be like this. It can be like that. We know that all of the angles in a triangle, all of these triangles add up to 180 degrees. And we know that a triangle, all the angles of a triangle, no matter what the size of a triangle, it always adds up to 180 degrees. So we know for sure that a triangle adds up to 180 degrees. But how do we prove that it is 180 degrees? So here, let me just draw a line on top here. Let me just use another color and draw a line there. And another line, another line, another line here. Let's say this is a straight line and like that. So let's say that we drew a line here. And now what we want to do here, I am going to use another color to label the angles inside the triangle. So the angles inside the triangle, I call this A, and I'll call this B, and I'll call this C. And the other ones here, let's say this is X, this is Y, this is Z, and this is X. Sorry, this is Y. So I'm going to call this the outside. It's called X. Wait, no. This is let's say W, okay? And then this is X and this is W. So first of all, we must find the relationship between these angles. So first of all, let's just ignore the angles. Actually, we can't ignore them. So first we need to find the relationship between all of these angles. So first here, we know that there is something called the alternate angle and the corresponding angles. So the corresponding angles, let's say, let's do alternate first. So alternate angles are, you have a parallel line and then the angle here and the angle there are the same. So it's like a Z-shaped. And here, let's draw a Z-shaped here. So if you notice this, that the angle X and the angle C are the same. So I'm just gonna write angle X is equal to angle C. Now let's find another relationship. So this time I have another alternate angle. Let's say this one. Now this time we have Y and B are the same. So angle Y and angle B are equal to each other because they're alternate angles. So next, now that we know that X is equal to C and Y is equal to B, we already find there's some relationship. Now let's focus on A. We know that a straight line, adds up to 180 degrees. And here, can you spot any straight lines? We have this straight line here, and we have a straight line there. So here, we can see the angles Y, A, X. And we know for sure that a straight line is 180 degrees. So that means Y plus A plus X is equal to 180 degrees. And now we can see there's X and there's a Y here. And let's substitute this into another thing. So if here, X is equal to C. And here, do you see any X? Yes. Here is X, so that means this one here is C. And do we spot a Y? Yes, a Y is here. So Y is equal to B, so B is equal to B plus B is equal to Y. And so that's why we substitute them. And if we see here, B plus A plus C is 180 degrees. B, let me erase this first. B plus A plus C is 180 degrees. And we have proved that. We have proved this. We have proved that a triangle, all of the angles always adds up to 180 degrees, no matter what the size is. So this is how you prove that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees.